Hi, I'm Tim with Circuit Board Medics, and I'm going to show you how to install our custom-made LED driver into the BMW X3 taillight. We're going to start by releasing the tabs on either side, and then going to the top here and releasing this clip, and just pivot the housing right out. Set that to the side. Now that we're inside, we're going to remove this white circuit board. Slides right out. Release the clip on the back and replace it with your new LED driver. You want to fold these wires into the cavity here so they don't get pinched around the edges. Just like it came off, we're going to start at the bottom here, pivot this right back on, and snap it into place. If your BMW X3 taillight has failed and you need a replacement driver, visit our website at circuitboardmedics.com.